It's constantly trying to correct it, but it can't see in front of it.
Woohoo!
You know what's awesome? Oh yeah, rarely will anything happen to it because the way it's connected is these rubber bands. So it flexes so much for impact. I mean, literally, it's only connected by those rubber bands. These things right here are just to hold it on in case the rubber bands snap. So it doesn't just like lose the wings. Yeah, they're being held. Ooh, whoa, the bees. They're being held by the actual rubber bands though. It's a 3-minute flight already, damn. Got wicked oscillation right there. That's bad. Watch this, Greg. You see the ailerons and the rudders and everything? You see them? Watch them. No, back here. This is all my flight controls right here. See it?
Oh, shit.
That's in the right, my nigga.
Wow.
And that's in that protected mode. Then I go full me. That's it. That's it. Power anymore. That's not good.
Take the camera off, maybe?
Hell no! That's the whole reason I'm out here. May have to change it to high instead of low now. Oh, I'm also flying it against the wind. I'm supposed to fly it that way to take off. Videos become embarrassing. Heard that? That's wicked oscillation happening from the... Oh, yeah, that won't fly. That's the one thing I didn't bring with me either.